Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about direct proportion. We have a problem here. Jean is working at a grocery store. She is doing this to support her studies and her way of helping her parents with their expenses. She gets 320 pesos for working 8 hours. How much will she earn if she worked for 48 hours? This problem is an example of a direct proportion. Two quantities are said to be directly proportional if a change in one produces a change in the other in the same direction. An increase or decrease in one quantity produces the same rate of increase and decrease in the other quantity. How to solve this one? We have the solution number 1. We may write this into a ratio and proportion. Salary is to hours is equal to salary is to hours. So in the first case, we have 320 is to 8 hours. That is equivalent to, we don't know, that's n is to 48 hours. Knowing that the product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes, then we can make use of this in finding n. That will give us n is equal to 320 times 48 divided by 8 hours. 320 times 48 will give us 15,360 divided by 8. 15,360 divided by 8 is equal to 1,920. This means that Jean will receive 1,920 for working for 48 hours. And that's it. I also suggest this solution number 2. We can do it in fraction form. We'll have salary is to number of hours equals salary is to the number of hours. 320 is to 8 hours equals n is to 48 hours. We can solve for n by doing cross multiplication. 320 times 48, then divided by 8 to get the value of n. 320 times 48 is equal to 15,360 divided by 8. That will give us 1,920 as our final answer. It is just the same with what we have in solution number 1. It is up to you to choose which one do you like, whether solution number 1 or solution number 2, because we will still arrive at the same answer. Another question. There are 10 chewing gums in a pack. How many chewing gums are there in 3 packs? So we can apply what we have done in the first problem. That will be gums is to packs is equal to gums is to packs. That will be represented by a given 10 is to 1 equals n is to 3 packs. N is equal to 10 times 3 divided by 1. That will give us 10 times 3 is equal to 30 divided by 1. And our final answer will be 30 chewing gums in 3 packs. Another question. 12 oranges cost 300 pesos. The cost of 15 oranges is how much? So again, we can apply what we have done in the previous questions. That will be oranges is to cost is equal to oranges is to cost. That will give us 12 is to 300 pesos equals 15 is to n. N is equal to 300 times 15 divided by 12. 300 times 15 is 4,500 divided by 12. That will give us 375 pesos. Next question. The fuel consumption of a car is 15 liters of diesel per 100 kilometers. What distance can the car cover with 5 liters of diesel? We'll write liters is to kilometers is equal to liters is to kilometers. 15 is to 100 equals 5 is to n. N is equal to 100 times 5 divided by 15. 100 times 5 is equal to 500 divided by 15 will give us 33.33 with bar at the top because it has no end. We can round it off to 2 decimal places. That will give us 33 and 33 hundredths kilometers as our final answer. And for the last problem that we have here, Arrow has walked 235 steps in 3 minutes. How many steps will he have after 15 minutes? We can write steps is to minutes equals steps is to minutes. Next, we can write here 235 is to 3 equals n is to 15. N is equal to 235 times 15 divided by 3. If you're going to solve 235 times 15, that will give us 3,525 divided by 3. It will give us our final answer of 1,175 steps. And it's so easy, and I know you can do it. Now, it is your time to solve the problem. You may write your answer in our comment section. I'll be waiting for your answer. This is the problem. An electric pole 7 meters high casts a shadow of 5 meters. Find the height of the tree that casts a shadow of 10 meters under similar conditions. If you already have the answer, don't forget to write your answer in the comment section. Thank you! Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!